Economics, Our Needs and Wants by Amy Hutchings.
Our Needs and Wants by Amy Hutchings. Words to think about. Afford.
She can afford to buy something for $3.
Choices.
We make choices every day.
Needs.
Needs are things we must have to live.
Save.
People can save money in a bank.
Shelter.
A mobile home is a type of shelter.
Wants.
Wants are things we may like but do not need.
Introduction.
We all have needs and wants. Needs are the things that all people must have to stay alive or survive. Wants are the things that we may like to have, but we do not need. We can live without them.
Food. Clothes. Shelter. Pet. Computer. MP3 player. Games. Do you need water to live? Do you need milkshakes to live? Chapter 1. What are our needs?
We all need air, food, and water to live. These are the things that help our bodies grow and stay healthy. Shelter is where we live, and clothes are what we wear. Our homes and clothes protect us from hot and cold weather and keep us safe.
All people have the same basic needs. Water fact. We use pipes to carry water into our homes. The water we drink comes from rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and glaciers. Chapter 2. What are our wants?
Wants are the things we like but do not need to survive. Wants are things that make life easier or more fun. People want many different things, like computers, pets, bicycles, and trips to the amusement park. What are some things you want?
How are wants different from needs? Look at text structure. Compare and contrast. The author uses the word but to contrast between wants and needs. Think about it. Cupcakes are a type of food, but we do not need them to live. Are they a want or a need? Chapter 3. How do we meet our needs and wants?
People work to meet their needs and wants. People grow food to eat. They make clothes and build homes to live in. People also work at jobs to earn money. People use the money they earn to pay for the things they need and want.
People make and grow goods to use, sell, or trade. People use money to buy things they need or want. Helping others. Some people don't have enough money to buy all the things they need. How can we help these people?
Most people do not have enough money to buy everything. They cannot afford all the things they need and want. So they have to make choices. Often people choose to buy the things they need first and save the money they have left over. They save until they can afford to pay for the things they want.
The price or cost of things can affect what people choose to buy. Supply and demand. When many people buy something that is in scarce supply, the price goes up. When the demand goes down, the price goes down too. This boy will save his money. What about you? What would you like to save money for? Conclusion.
We all have needs and wants. Needs are things we must have to live. Wants are things we do not need to survive. Each day, we choose between our needs and wants. By working and saving, we can meet most of our needs and wants.
Needs: clothes, food, water. Wants: pet, games, teddy bear. Glossary. Afford: to have enough money to pay for something. See page 12. Choices: decisions we make. See page 12. Needs: things we must have to live. See page 4. Save: to not spend, to keep. See page 13. Shelter: a home or building that protects us. See page 7. Wants: things we like to have, but do not need. See page 4. Question and answer connection. Facts about needs and wants. Question: do all living things have the same needs? Answer: no, all living things do not have the same exact needs. While all living things need light, air, water, and space to grow, animals and humans also require shelter. But plants and animals don't need clothes. Question: are all types of shelter the same? Answer: no. There are many different types of shelter. Houses, apartments, and mobile homes are just some types of shelter. Even houseboats are a type of shelter. Now it's your turn. Do you have a favorite pet or animal? Draw a picture of it. What needs does this animal have? What wants does it have? Tell about its needs and wants.